Hey, do you know?
I don't know. Go ask Mom. Okay, so today we're going to be making bone broth in a thermal cooker, whether it's a Wonder Oven or a cooking bag. And there's so many benefits to bone broth. It can build the immune system, help to fight inflammation, strengthen teeth and bones, and soothe colds and stuff. I have a few ingredients that I add to mine. Before I do water, you can just do salt if you want to. And just turn it to medium to bring it to a boil, and then set your timer for 20 minutes. Put the lid on and let it vent a little bit, and it'll keep it from boiling over. Now, after 20 minutes, put it in your make sure you turn your vent off and put it in your thermal cooker. And after 4 hours, go ahead and bring it back to a boil, because we want to be able to keep that temperature high. And after 4 more hours, then you can go ahead and strain out your broth. And it looks kind of weird, but it's so good for you. And then you can put it in the fridge at this point and let all the fat float to the top, and you can skim it off. It's great for gravy, soups, stews, dips, whatever you want to use it for. And it's loaded with so many good things. So here's why using it in a thermal cooker is better than any other way, is because of all the stuff that you can save, the energy you can save by using a thermal cooker. So if you liked this video, you can go ahead and share, like, and subscribe.